Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Here's what the newest iPhone Air leaks say about its design. The new super slim iPhone 17 Air could be this thin. New leaked images compared with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is Apple's thinnest iPhone ever by far. Apple is expected to release its thinnest phone, the iPhone 17 Air, later this year. But recent leaks give us a better idea than we've had before of what to expect. Know how it will look like, and what top tech insiders are saying. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New images reported to be showing the iPhone 17 Air have emerged, revealing how skinny the phone is by putting it next to an iPhone 16 Pro Max. And it's not like that's a thick phone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max measures 8.25 millimeters thick. The new images come from noted leaker Majin on X, but they didn't elaborate on where they acquired the photos. With all of these leaks and rumors, it's always best to take them with a grain of salt. At the same time, if these images are legit, it could give us a taste of the thickness Apple is targeting with the iPhone 17 Air. While it's hard to say how much thinner the iPhone 17 Air is based on angles and camera tricks, it looks to be about half the depth of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If that's the case, that would put it at a little over 4.12 millimeters thick, though previous rumors have suggested 5.5 millimeters. The latter number is more likely, as we haven't seen a phone maker able to build a phone less than 5 millimeters yet. Perhaps Apple wants to be the first to break through that barrier. For reference, we recently went hands-on with the Tecno Spark Slim, the thinnest phone on the market at 5.75 millimeters. If Apple gets its slim phone down to less than that, it'll have the thinnest phone on the market, as the upcoming Samsung S25 Edge is rumored to be about 6 millimeters. Outside of depth, the images also show off the pixel-like camera design, allegedly found on the iPhone 17 Air. The phone is also expected to have a dynamic island and Face ID on the front. But where Ming-Chi Kuo said, the phone will have a 6.6-inch screen, Ice Universe says it'll actually be 6.9 inches like the iPhone 17 Pro Max. They say both phones will have the same length, width, screen size, and bezel as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We should learn more about the iPhone 17 Air from Apple during the fall of this year, as we expect it to debut with the rest of the iPhone 17 models, perhaps without a Plus, which the Air is rumored to replace. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.